Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot Mexican street corn. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my Instant Pot. I put a cup of water in the bottom and I have my little metal trivet in there. Now I'm going to take my corn on the cob and I'm going to place it down in there on top of the trivet. And I am doing 5 ears of corn, one for everybody in the family. Now I'm going to seal my lid on here and I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 3 minutes. When my 3 minutes are up, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright guys, my corn is done. I took it out of the Instant Pot. Now I'm going to take some mayonnaise. We're going to slather it down with some mayonnaise. And guys, the best way to put mayonnaise on bread or anything is use the back of a tablespoon. It's a lot easier than using a butter knife. Alright guys, now that I have mayonnaise all over my corn, get rid of my spoon. And my mayonnaise. I'm going to sprinkle this with a little bit of chili powder. I'm going to hit it with some fresh chives. Looking good, guys, looking good. Now if you want to go a little further, you can take this out and put it on the grill and get a nice char on your corn before you put all your mayonnaise and stuff on it. We're not into that today. Now I have some queso fresco that I crumbled up. That's a Mexican cheese. Just going to put that over top of our corn. Alright, now lastly guys, I'm going to squeeze a little lime juice on my corn. It's going to give it a nice freshness. Get in there and give that a try for you guys. Got this big guy here. It's really good, guys. Corn, sweet and tender. You get the creaminess of the mayonnaise. You get the little bit of the kick from the chili powder. That's really delicious, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it, Instant Pot Mexican street corn. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.